Hey people, here I'm going to explain you how to install the merge mod for Might and Magics. You're probably here because of set video, and the set video the link was all shitty and stuff. So I'm here to properly explain you and properly give you the correct links. So first, you go to the link I leave on the description, this page. Then you go down, then you click here on the mega file. This is the first thing you're gonna download first, okay? While it's downloading, now go to the binder of your game of Mario Magic 8. Then you right click Magic 8. Then you change it the compatibility into Windows XP Service Pack 2. Okay? You do it for Magic 8 setup, and also you do it for Magic 8 properties, compatibility. Then you change to Windows XP Service Pack 2. After your download is completed, then extract your mod inside the game folder. Let's wait for the extraction. It's moving all of these things. Sorry for the disturbance. While this is going, you replace everything. You want to download this file. No, this file. Sorry, you download this one. It says the mmmerge master. This is the patch. You throw everything again. You replace everything. There will be all of it. Now you do right click into M8 properties. You compatibility, then execute this program as administrator. Apply, accept. Open the game. That should be it. Yep. Well, enrolled. New game. To choose Might and Magic 6, you need to pick this one, the left one. We create our classes. Okay. Oops. That's it. We have a free camera, mod resolution. You can do the first quest, and that's it. So yeah, thank you for everything. This cost me a lot of time to understand it, but yeah, after this video, everything should be fine. If you did like some of the methods and it doesn't work previously doing this video, I recommend you to then install the game, uninstall it, and do all of the steps that I just did. So yeah, thank you for everything. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.